Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now this case is a wallet case, not a folio case, but it does hold cards in it. And we're going to go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Now you can get this case from Amazon. It's the XRPow wallet case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G with credit card holder, slim PU leather, card pocket with back cover, shockproof protective cover for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. And this is the brown one, all right? And $12.99 on Prime. You can get it in 4 colors. You got the blue, you got a brown, which I have in front of me, and a light brown, all right? And you got a black as well, all right? So I thought I'd try the brown out. All right, now I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get this, okay? Now here's the wrapper, pretty simple wrapper right there. It's got this case on it. Not much else on the wrapper. Let's get this to the side. Now here's the case right here. Now it does have opening up the top and opening at the bottom, so you won't have much protection down there, or any protection down there. And the sides are covered. The buttons over here are open, so minimal protection on this case. Now the case is not too thin that I think you're going to have protection on the back and on the sides, but these openings, you want to be know about that just in case you are concerned about it. So you got your opening for the camera. We'll see how that protects the camera. It looks kind of shallow, but we'll see. Now you do have these little flaps here in the back that's going to raise it up a little bit, but not a whole lot. And this is where your cards go, okay? Now let's go ahead and put this inside, put the case inside and see how that looks. All right, we're going to put the case inside. So just pop it in and no problem there. Now this is a minimal case. You're not going to get a lot of protection with this case right here. I'm going to tell you right now. This doesn't rise up very high on the side. You can see that you can still see it's flushed with the side of the phone. So the screen's going to be flush. You don't have a lot of protection there. Nothing on the top to give you protection on the screen. So this will not protect your screen. If you lay it down flat, the screen is going to rest on the surface. So that's probably not going to work for a lot of people. And I definitely don't like that. But it does give you some scratch protection on the back, and the camera is just flush with the camera. So there's a little bit of raised area there, but not a whole lot. So that's kind of iffy there. But I think it's just above the camera. So we'll give you some protection there. I think your back will be all right. But the sides and the front glass, that's going to be an issue. Now you got your open access to your buttons right there because it's all opened up. And then, you know, your charging port and your speaker grill is open, and your mic area is open as well, because there's nothing covering that with the device, okay? So minimal protection with this case, but it is a nice look. Looks good, and it fits pretty well. And you got your slots for the cards right there that you can put in if you want to. For example, you can put a couple of cards in there. Yeah, no problem. You know what I'm saying? And it feels good in the hand. And just what, you know, so you can see what the kind of PU leather looks like right there, right? So it might work for some people, but protection-wise, it's not going to be the case for you, okay? Let's check out wireless charging and see how that looks. Okay, so we got the wireless charger here. Let's put it on. So it picks up wireless charge, no problem there. Let's stand it up and see what happens. All right, so wireless charger picks up there. We're to stand it up. That's it on portrait mode and landscape mode. All right, so it does pick up wireless charge right there as well. So wireless charge works pretty good with the case, all right? And one of the things that would have been great if they had raised these corners up to protect the glass a little more, this would have been a pretty good case. But right now there's no protection. You can see that. It's all flat, and this will touch the surface if you lay it down flat on the surface. But it is a nice looking case in minimal design, not too bulky or anything, so that might be good for you. Okay, so that was a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra made by XRPow. It's the wallet case, the brown one, PU leather. Not a bad case, you know, if that's what you're looking for. You know, looking for a wallet, but something slim and minimal, this gonna work. But protection-wise, it's not that good, so it doesn't do a good job of that. But I will put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.